When rock star Rob Dickinson founded Singer in 2009, he probably didn't imagine how successful and game-changing his venture would be. However, by 2018 there was need for something else, and that's how the second act, the DLS, the Dynamic and Lightweight Study, came to be born.
The now legendary Porsche 911 reimagined through Singer's DLS services, or Dynamic and Lightweight Studies. The DLS philosophy took everything several degrees further, going beyond styling and refinement and utilising Formula One technology to pursue a vision for the most advanced air-cooled 911 in the world. No limits, full permission to push the everything to its limit. This Porsche 911 restored through DLS services is one of two cars used to launch the car to the world in 2018 at the Goodwood Festival of Speed. Whilst this car proudly sat on the lawn of the Goodwood house, looking like a magnet for the world's press, whilst its sister car in red shrieked up that famous hill. It was these two cars that, with the assistance of Norbert Singer, Hans Metzger and Williams Advanced Engineering, allowed Singer and Williams to push the limits of what was thought possible. EP1, as it's called, sits here today as per that debut, presented in parallax white with contrasting Norfolk yellow wheels. Yellow wheels on the driver's side and silver on the other. They're a reminder that at Singer, customised special wishes are the norm. Following its official duties, EP1 was meticulously refreshed by Singer in 2023. From being a launch car to featuring many magazine articles, EP1 and the DLS restoration services were part of a pivotal moment in the firm's history, a watershed moment when the legendary style and swagger that made Singer famous was fused for the first time with Formula One performance.
We at RM Sotheby's are delighted and honoured to be offering this piece of history, EP1, for sale via our RM Sotheby's sealed platform. With bidding ending on the 4th of September, this is your opportunity to acquire a real piece of air-cooled 911 history.